Hello viewers, how are you today? I hope you all are doing well and very good. So today I'm sharing you a new recipe which is red chili pickle, as you can say bharwa red chili. It's very simple to make it and very tasty in a flavor. I hope you will like these recipes like my previous recipes. And if you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Let us go without delay to make it. Ready? First of all, we have to prepare the masala. So here I have fennel seeds, 3 teaspoon or sauf, 2 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi, 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds or dhania. Okay, we have to roast all the spices lightly. Now we add some mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Okay, by 15 to 20 seconds we have to roast the spices on low flame so that the spices do not be burned. Okay, the spices have to cool down a bit. Now turn off the flame and let's cool down it. When the spices cool down, then we have to grind it. So here the spices is cooled and I take this jar, small jar, and we have to grind this spice finely. You can even grind this coarsely if you want to. So here all the spices going into the jar and let's grind it. Okay. Okay, so masala is ready and you can see the spices are not very fine or not very coarse. So transfer in a plate and now we have to add some dry spices which will make its taste even better. So first we have to add asafoetida or hing, 1/3 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, and 2 teaspoon of chaat masala. I like the flavor of chaat masala, so I have put more in it. 1 teaspoon of black salt. You can also add white salt as if you want to. You can also add dry mango powder or amchur powder, 1 teaspoon, but I skip here. So masala is ready. Mix all the ingredients. Now we add lemon juice which will give its sour sweet taste in it. So here I have 1 lemon juice. Squeeze it and just mix it again. Right now the masala looks dry, so we will also add mustard oil in it. Okay. Here I have 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil. Doesn't matter if the mustard oil is too much. So now we heat the oil very well, and after that, when it cools down a bit, then we will add it to spices to maintain the texture of our masala. So I am adding 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil and just mix it again, and our masala is ready. I was finding the masala a little bit dry, so I added 2 or 3 teaspoons of oil here. Spice mix are the most important thing in this pickle. So at the end the masala is ready. Mix all the spices, lemon juice and mustard oils properly. Okay, keep this aside. Now here I have some red chilies. We have removed seeds of the chilies, so chilies will look a little less spicy. So as you can see, the seeds are removed. Okay. Now fill the masala in this properly. Okay, cut into the centers and fill the masala. You can add more or less spices according to your preference. Prepare all the chilies in the same way. So all the chilies are ready. Now we have to fry it. So here I have mustard oil, which take this earlier. So now we will put the chilies in a little hot oil, one by one. Be careful because the oil is hot, slightly hot, not too, but you can carefully do this. Okay, keep it covered so that there is a little bit soft. The flame should be not high. Okay, let's cover it and 2 or 3 minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes, just flip the chilies and turn off the flame, and again covered it. So as you can see, the chilies are slightly soft. So you can see the cover is more slightly soft. If you want to pickle make quickly, then you can fry it lightly, and or you can keep in without frying in it oil, or this is your preference. So our instant pickle is ready. How did you like this video, or how did you like it? You will definitely tell me in the comment section. Till then, take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.